So our topic for today is complex numbers. So when we talk about complex numbers, we're referring to any number expressible in the standard form of a plus bi or a plus bj, where this I or j are the imaginary unit or number, which is equal to the square root of negative 1. So we have now z equals a plus bi, where z now represents our complex number. Okay? So let's have this example. Find the value of x of the equation x squared plus 1 equals 0. So, to solve it, so we have x squared plus 1 equals 0. You transpose this 1 to the other side, you have now the negative 1. So you have now x squared equals negative 1. Take the square root. So your x now is equals to plus or minus the square root of negative 1. Or we have now x equals the plus or minus I. For our next problem, simplify the expression I to the 1,997 plus I to the 1,999, where I is an imaginary number. To solve it, so, if the exponent of I is exactly divisible by 4, then the simplified equivalent of the imaginary number is equals to 1. Since 1,996 is exactly divisible by 4, therefore, I to the 1,996 is equals to 1. Since we have the I raised to 1,997, therefore, we have now I to the 1,996 times I is equals to 1 times I is equals to 1. On the other hand, I to the 1,998 is equals to 1, negative 1. Then, our I to the 1,999 is equals to I to the 1,998 times the I, or we have now the negative 1 times I, or we have now negative I. Therefore, I to the 1,997 from the problem plus I to the 1,999 is equals to the I plus the I of 1,999 is negative 1, therefore, a negative I, therefore now I minus I equals 0. And this is the answer.